Oh my goodness. This here is an awesome fire truck.
Wow!
With sweet old Sally driving it.
Hey, Sally!
Hi there! What you doing, monster truck?
I'm about to launch off a platform over some gift wrapping.
Do you need me to get anything up high? Cause check this out.
Wow! Wow!
Beep 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 beep.
Whoa! Hey, that's a pretty cool contraption you got there.
This is great. Thanks a lot, Banjo Benny. I love this.
You're so welcome. I bet if my monster truck launched off that ladder right there, it could go pretty far.
That's a great idea. Here, I'll hold it for you.
Here, let's give it a shot and see what can happen.
Yeah! And the crowd goes wild. Woo!
That's a good toy. I reckon you can pick up pretty much anything that's up in them trees.
You can get cats. You can get nuts, acorns.
Whoa!
You can pluck the leaves when they're getting too high.
Whoa! That's pretty neat.
I got a great idea.
What's that?
Check this out. This is like can be a catapult too.
Oh yeah, catapult.
You put little Sally in there, and then beep beep beep.
Oh! Ouch! That! Oh, let's try it again. Let's try it again.
Okay, let's try it again. I'll put her this way. That might be better. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah! Sally went far.
Sally went for a swim.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sweet. This is awesome.